Well, hello, my beautiful friends of YouTube on this beautiful day. How about that? Two beautiful things, a beautiful day and beautiful people. All right, thanks for subscribing to my channel and liking all my videos. I'm really blown away, guys, of just how many subscribers I have now. I have almost 20,000 subscribers, so life goes on, I guess, here, and so does work on some of these vehicles. I'm going to show you how to take this airbag out of this Neon. Now, I've taken out the passenger side airbag. Between the passenger side airbag and the driver side airbag, it's close to $100 here in parts that you can resell. So I'm keeping all these parts in this Neon. So in order to get this airbag out, unhook your battery, let it set for about an hour, half hour. And we have some little plastic tabs that we have to pop off here. Pretty simple job to do. And we got to get one here off. And I've already loosened this up a little bit. I'm going to try to make the video a little faster. Let me see if I can see this a little bit better here. The sun's shining kind of bright. There we go. We got this one here we got to take out. Behind these little tabs, there are little bolts that we have to take out. Little 8mm bolts. There's two of them. Now we got a tab on this side. I think you can kind of see that. There we go. On this side here. Pop this one off. We'll set this up here. And now we're going to grab our 8mm little socket, this guy here. And we got a couple of bolts in the back that we have to take out. And one is going to be on this side right here. Get this one out. We should be able to get this all the way out with dropping it. Hopefully, if we drop it, we'll have to get a magnet and pick it up. And, of course, it fell down in behind there. That's okay. We can get it out when we take this airbag off. And the same thing on this side. We got one right here we have to take off. Get this one off. And I'll tell you, if you have an old car, if you can take the parts off and keep them, you can make a little bit of money selling used parts on Craigslist and on Facebook, Auto Market, locally. You can make a little bit of money. So when you go to junk your cars, make sure you get all your parts off as much as you can. All right, so we got that off. And now all we got to do is pull out like this and just be gentle with it. And there's our other screw that we dropped. I'm going to keep these little things because these things are very hard to find. If you lose one of these, you're going to have some issues finding another screw. So now what we got to do is tip this down just a little bit. Now we got a little plug back here we have to unhook. And there's a smaller one right there. So I'll have to set the camera down. These are pretty easy to take off. We just got to squeeze this and pull up on it, and unhook this. And our airbag's almost out. Alright, so I got the big one off there. You can see it's just a regular plug that plugs in the back. And you got this little clip here. Pull it off, pull this off, and there's our airbag off to the side. And we'll put that in storage in a nice cool place. We'll put it in a plastic bag and we'll keep it for later. And hopefully this will help you guys out. So thanks for watching, guys, and until my next video, which will probably be the Trailblazer transmission filter oil change uploaded today later. I will see you guys then. Have a good one.